the cutest video ever.
Am I heavy? Am I heavy? Am I heavy? Am I heavy?
Leave him alone, you mean ass.
You need to learn how to get up under the
Dylan, leave me alone, daddy. What's wrong with him? Trying to crawl. My baby trying to crawl. Frankie. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Stop it. Look how big his head is. Daddy, you want to say some words? Frankie is 7 months old. This is my 7-month-old right here, crying up a storm. And that's how Daddy looks when he was 7 months old. Tattoos everywhere. Here's my baby's face right there. Now they're playing airplane.
Bad boy.
Kick him in the face. He sounds ugly. And this is mommy. Oops. Sorry, too fast.